Hi there, Melanie Peterson here with Center for Low Carb Living. We're going to talk about how to calculate net carbs. So what I've got here are a few labels of just a couple products that I personally eat and are super good and really low in net carbs. So first to the left, we have Rebel ice cream. This particular flavor is cookies and cream. It is my absolute favorite. So as we can look at the label, we're going to dissect just a few things. There's a lot of things on the label to look at, but for right now, we are just looking at net carbs. What net carbs is total carbs, which you're going to find right here, total carbohydrates, minus any fiber in the product, right here, minus sugar alcohol. And right here, erythritol does happen to be a sugar alcohol. You can go on Google and find a complete list of anything that satisfies a sugar alcohol label. Right? So then on the right over here, we have Julian Bakery's Pro Granola. This one is actually vanilla cinnamon cluster. So for 1/2 cup of this, it's got 14 total carbohydrates, 12 grams of fiber, and no sugar alcohols. Okay. So as I said, there's more to look at that labels, but right now we are just going to look at net carbs. So we go down here. So the total carbs is 13 in the Rebel ice cream. It has 2 grams of fiber. So 13 minus 2 down here is 11. Now we can further subtract out the sugar alcohol. So 11 minus 9 equals 2. So that gives us 2 grams of net carbs per serving of the Rebel cookies and cream ice cream. The serving size is 1/2 cup. Moving over to the right to look at the Julian Bakery Pro Granola Vanilla Cinnamon Cluster, this has total carbohydrates of 14 grams. Then we subtract out the fiber, which is 12, so we get 2 net carbs per serving. So this one, the serving is actually 1/2 cup. For me, I put it in a low carb yogurt. I usually maybe have 1/8 cup. So really getting extremely low on the net carbs here. This one I use as a snack sometimes if I just need a good little filler or something on the go. So again, to calculate your net carbs, it is total carbs minus fiber minus sugar alcohol.